Gavin, and I'm making a homemade pasta sauce. It's delicious and easy to make. We'll start with some fresh garlic that I'm going to mince. Here's the easy way to mince it. You don't even have to peel it. First, you lay the blade flat on the clove and smack it like that. And now I'm just going to peel the clove. That was the easy way to peel it. Now I am going to hit it harder to actually crush it. I'm adding salt, and we're going to use that and the blade of the knife to grind it into the cutting board. I've got it into a fine paste now, so it's ready to go. Now that we've got all our ingredients ready, it's time to build the sauce. Got about 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the pan, and we're ready to add our minced garlic. Now we only want to let this cook for about 30 seconds, because if you let it cook for longer, then it will burn, and burned garlic is very bitter. I can smell it already. Okay, now it's ready. The easiest way to stop the cooking is to go ahead and add your tomatoes. So I added my canned diced tomatoes to the sauce. Petite diced tomatoes. And now, I'll add some dried thyme. Grind a little bit of pepper into it. I like fresh ground pepper because the pre-ground stuff most of the time is filled with things like wood chips. And some salt. You can always add more seasonings. Secret to good cooking is to always season towards the end to get the flavors just right. But remember, don't add too much because you can't take seasonings away. It's been cooking now for about 3 to 4 minutes, and it's essentially done. I used diced tomatoes because I wanted my sauce a little chunky, but you can use crushed tomatoes if you want yours smoother. Now I'm going to add my pasta, which is a red lentil pasta. I use red lentil pasta because of the health benefits, and it's a lot better than regular wheat pasta. It's great for people who are sensitive to gluten, or otherwise trying to avoid flour. We'll let that cook about 10 minutes. If you don't want to use wheat pasta or bean pasta, then you can use spaghetti squash or use that zucchini thingy. You know, one of those spiralizers to cut the zucchini into pasta-like shape. Now I'll do the most important rule in cooking, tasting and seasoning. The salt's good. Now I'll drain the pasta. Now that I've got my strained pasta, I'll add the tomato sauce. And I like to add a little grated Parmesan cheese. And I like to add a little parsley to make it look nice for your friends, if you have friends. Well, let's try this. That's good!